So you all have to familiarize yourself with the Google Meet. And then the second objective of our meeting is general instructions, so that our classes will go smooth and a safe conduct. Okay. So for safe and smooth conduct of examination, these classes, I have to give some general instructions to you all. So first thing, before we start with Google Meet, some of you asked me why I have sent a link of Google Classroom. All of you, all the parents have got the link of Google Classroom in your mail IDs. So first thing I want to clarify those who are asking that it is completely optional. You need not go about it. You need not follow this link or whatever. I'm not just bounding you all. It is not compulsory. And if you want to use it also, you need not download the app. Not at all. The app is not required for using Google Classroom. But why I created Google Classroom, I wanted you all to know. Some of you sometimes change your mobile or some other, you by mistake delete the material that I send. Some of you have texted me to ask that, Madam, we have lost the assignments of April month. We want the child to revisit it. Now they don't have a proper notebooks and all. So in that case, or he has not written some notes, I want him to write. So what I have done, I have made all the material. I worked and just posted all the material on the Google Classroom organized. It is very difficult if suddenly somebody asks me to send all the material sent on daily basis. So whatever I sent, I have just posted everything there. What you have to do, you just follow the link and you can see all the material without downloading the app in your normal browser. Okay. So what you all should remember is you should not share it. You should not share it with everyone. It is my personal space I am sharing with you all for your children. So it should be for the child only. Now let us see how Google Classroom works. When you click the link I have sent you, you will see a classroom. You should go to the classwork here. Can you all see? I just hope. One of you please respond. Are you all able to see the screen? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Just mute yourself. Now, okay, thank you. Now, here in classwork, when you go, you will see all the posted works. One is the material of particular chapter, another one is the assignments given. Now just tap on any one work. For example, I want to see the plant fairy assignments. So I'll just tap. So all the assignments given will be seen here. Then if you tap on any of the assignment, that assignment will be open. When you tap the assignment, you will get all the options. You want to download that assignment, you want to share that assignment on your WhatsApp or on your Gmail, on anything where you want to work with. Okay. Now this is all about Google Classroom. Now let us come to Google Meet. When we are talking about Google Meet, the purpose of Google Meet is child's academics. But before the child's academics, what comes? Before academics comes the child's safety. Child safety is our priority. So for that, what you have to make sure, only 3 points, I insist. Laptops or mobiles should be charged beforehand. They should not be put on charging while the child is having class. It should be charged before. Then you should not, make sure that child should not use earphones. Instead, just put it on speaker or something. Don't put earphones, it is not good for health, and nowadays you must have heard some of the news going on for some casualties and all. So you just make sure you don't put earphones or don't put mobile on charging when the child is using. Then the last thing is parents' presence. The child should not be handling the gadget, whatever you are providing for their education. It should be parent who is handling the gadget. The child should be sitting and attending the meeting. Parents should be there to guide the child or do if there is some messaging or something. For that, the parent should be there for child's sake. The child cannot handle. They can touch here and there or anything. So I just want parents to assist the children when the class is going on. Then classes, how the classes is going to go about. First is before the meeting. Before the meeting, you should make sure these three things. First is data. You should have a proper plan, data in broadband, because you have to attend a meeting that will be a video. For a WhatsApp, it is the amount of net required is less. So you should just have enough data pack for attending a video class. Okay, so you just go through this and just find out whether you have a proper enough data plan or not. Then the place of sitting. The child should be seated at a quiet place, not near a kitchen or some other place where a lot of movement is there, because it will be difficult for a child to focus in a class when there is chaos around it. Okay, the next thing is punctuality. The next thing is punctuality. Punctuality is must, because you see, I am presenting a screen to you, or I am presenting a screen to a child. In between, if some people are coming late, so I have to go here, I have to accept their request, and then I again have to go to the meeting. And it is little disturbance. It will be disturbing, and the child cannot follow in between the meeting. So all of you just make sure we are all are punctual. Whenever we decide that a meeting will start at 5:30 or 9:30 or 10:30, we all will try to be ready by 10 minutes. We all will try to be ready by 10 minutes early, and by 5:30 or 10:30 we will join the meeting. So you just make try to be little more punctual. Now next thing, during the meeting, before the meeting, okay. Now during the meeting, what you should do? During the meeting, you should mute yourself immediately after joining. If you don't mute, what happens? There will be disturbance. And because of this disturbance, the other children will not be able to listen what I am speaking properly. And even you cannot listen. So, just to avoid the chaos in the classroom, we have to mute ourselves. I will give time for discussion separately. Or you can leave a message for on the behalf of child. I will just let you know how to leave a message. But the best thing is, instead of muting, unmuting, you just leave a message on behalf of child. You can even leave a message after WhatsApp, or we can have some separate time for what we say discussions and problems, doubts. So during the meeting, you just try to keep yourself on mute. Now, every child should be seen watching and listening. Now, when the Google Meet is going on, the audio should be muted, but video should always be on. The child should be seen, and the child should be properly dressed. He should not be sitting simply here and there or not improper way. The child should be sitting properly in a proper decent dress, and he should be seen that he is listening to the things the teacher is explaining. Then the last thing, you all have to try to touch and meddle less with your screen, because if you will touch here and there will be issue. You may unmute, you may mute, you may just exit the meeting by mistake. Some of you, all of us are new. Even I am new to this Google Meet. So we have to just try to meddle less when we are having a proper meeting. We can just call to our friends and just try it out if we want to just explore some other features. But when meeting is going on, you touch less to the screen so that there will be no issues. This is the only thing. Thank you. And you all can ask me if there is any doubts, any confusion is there for you. You didn't understand something about Meet. That's all. You all see here. Can you all see my screen? There is a chat button here. In everybody's screen, there will be a button like this. You all can type your queries here and ask me whatever is the confusion or doubt you are having.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Uh,
हेलो
अगर आप उसको नोट्स देते हैं ना मैडम, हम उसको राइटिंग करना है के नोट्स में।
जी क्या?
हेलो मैम,
हाँ जी बोलिए।
आप जो नोट्स वगैरह देते हैं करना है क्या मैडम घर पे? तो जो आप नोट्स वगैरह देते हैं ना वो घर पे लिखना है क्या नोट्स?
हाँ जी, अभी बच्चे को एक कॉपी मेंटेन करनी है चारों सब्जेक्ट्स की अलग अलग, और वो जो कुछ भी पढ़ रहा है अकॉर्डिंगली हर टीचर अपने अलग अलग जो है असाइनमेंट्स देंगी। जो लिखने का है वो लिखना है, और जो नहीं लिखने का है वो नहीं लिखना है। जो भी गाइडेंस टीचर के थ्रू मिलेगा उसको फॉलो करना है, और कॉपीज बनानी है।
ओके, जो पेन है या पेंसिल?
अभी कोई बात नहीं है, अगर बच्चे ने लिखा है, प्रैक्टिस जब वो करता है तो उसको पेंसिल में लिखवाइए, पर एक प्रॉपर नोटबुक होना है जिसमें जो सारा काम है वो सीरीज में हो। And always try to make your child write in pencil, because at this age if the child writes in pen their handwriting will deteriorate. उसका handwriting खराब होता है बच्चे का।
मैडम सेपरेट चारों हेलो सर, चारों सब्जेक्ट का अलग एक नोटिस बनाना है। अभी पहले का जो है वो नहीं करना है।
हाँ, कोशिश कीजिए कि चारों सब्जेक्ट्स का अलग अलग नोटबुक बने, क्योंकि हो सकता है कुछ दिनों में फिर स्कूल खुलेंगे। हम उम्मीद तो यही कर रहे हैं कि जल्दी स्कूल खुले और हम लोग मिले, तो फिर बच्चे को कठिनाई होगी। हम लोग कैसे असेसमेंट करेंगे हमको नहीं पता है, तो बच्चे के अगर नोट्स अलग अलग होगा तो बच्चे को पढ़ना है, बच्चा पढ़ पाएगा। तो कोशिश कीजिए शीट्स में जो भी आप कर सकते हैं शीट्स में करवाइए जैसे भी, लेकिन 4 अलग अलग फोल्डर, 4 अलग अलग नोटबुक, ओल्ड न्यू जो भी, लेकिन 4 नोटबुक्स हो।
ओके मैम, every day it will be at 11:30 only, this interaction.
What interaction with me or with parents or with children? With the children, the timetable will be given to you all.
The children, ma'am.
Yes, the timetable will be given to you all. It may change, it may be same. The timetable I have sent in the group already. If you have seen, you just see the timetable. I think it is 9:30, not 11:30. So you just go through the timetable which is now applicable.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Okay. Now if you
Excuse
have,
me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, see whether you can record this meeting or what.
Now the meeting is over only. I have just tried out. If it is recorded, I will share. If it is not recorded, I cannot share. I have tried out
Because
it.
the thing is, some of them will be absent, right, ma'am? Like the class strength is around some 40 or 45. So you can share it in the common email of the class.
I can try it out, sir, but at the end of the day, parents also has to try to attend it. Only 15 minutes. They could have taken a break also, sir. I am trying on 11 because I want parents, and actually the main purpose of this meeting was not attending something. It was mainly making parents familiarized. Now you all know how to mute yourself. You all know how to do. Hands-on experience is required. Just a second. Hello? Sir, I'll just call you back in 5 minutes. I am in a meeting. Okay, please. Thank you. Hello? Yes.
Ma'am, the class having a common
Class email. I'm sending everything to your personal emails you have provided.
Ma'am, it's better to create a class common mail for a class and submit in that, so everyone can go through it, right?
Actually, if I'll create an email, who will be responsible? Any activities is going on in that email. If somebody is using that email in any way, who will be responsible? I don't know. If you want to create, you can create. I thought of it, but that is we have to take the responsibility of some 46 or 50 people. Can you take the responsibility of all the 46 people that they will use it in a proper way? Because the person who creates is the person who is responsible for it. Are you getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am trying my level best what I can do. Yes. I encourage parents to just mute themselves if they are not speaking. I can't hear you.
Video. It will be nice if you can share the video also later of the session. If you miss the session, then we can.
We can try it out, sir. If any one of you can record also is a good thing. If any one of you can record, it is also helpful. If any one of you has screen recorder or something, you can share it with me. Yes?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
Vishnu Kumar.
Yes?
Madam, no starting classes from
Monday.
first lesson, na?
No. From it will be continuing from the chapters we have left with. What is completed is completed. What is not completed will be taken care of.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Okay, parents. I hope all the queries are sorted.
Platform you are using, ma'am?
What?
Is it the same platform you will be using daily?
Yes. The same platform. That is why I want you all to be familiarized.
Ma'am, can you record in this?
I cannot record. We are finding the solutions out, sir.
Ma'am, it's better I'm giving an option like you can use Skype because you can record in that.
Sir, actually the problem is what all are doing we have to follow. What guidelines we are getting. I cannot start anything with my own wish. That is the problem. What guidelines I get from my authorities I am following. And actually it is a good thing that I am able to present and everything. Many features are there. That is why our authorities are insisting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think all the queries are sorted. If you have any other query, you can even ask on WhatsApp. There is no problem. You all are welcome. Only thing is we have to see what we are speaking and when we are speaking. You all can just ask your queries in WhatsApp group. Thank you, parents. Thank you for attending the meeting. I hope you all are able to. Okay, I hope you all are able to get what you wanted. Thank you, Devishri. Okay. Okay, parents. Thank you. Thank you for attending. Can we leave now? Thank you. Oh, yes, bacha. Welcome, bacha. Okay, parents. Okay, parents. Okay. Welcome, Karthik. Bye. Bye, all. Thank you. Bye, bacha. Bye.